My video tutorial today will provide you with guidelines that will help you to remove the new ransomware called Black.Berserk. This is the ransomware that is able to damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, of course, you are able to open all of your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. And then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data because of this ransomware. The ransomware then encrypts files, and it also reveals this ransom note called Black Recover. So the files are no longer accessible. The ransomware is called like that because this name, Black.Berserk, is mentioned in the email addresses that are mentioned in the ransom note. The extension which is appended is called Black. You need to realize that you should not pay the ransom. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. I recommend that you remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software through this official website combocleaner.com. You need to click on the special download Combo Cleaner green button. So download Combo Cleaner, install it, and then start researching and investigating the computer. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, so don't skip this important step because this is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the scanning will begin. Keep in mind that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add certain folders for protecting the data in the future, but Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to actually decrypt the files. So you need to wait certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully updated and accomplished by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Then at the end of the scan you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations, so consider upgrading to premium, which is a much better solution for getting your data always protected.